What is up, you guys? Welcome back to the vlog. Man, I am really excited for this vlog because this is going to be a little bit different. There's going to be very minimal talking, but what I'm going to be showing you guys are the places that I've been driving recently. And yo, this is going to be epic because it is called beautiful British Columbia for a reason. So I'm really hoping that one day you get to visit British Columbia as well, or if not, at least you get to experience it through this video. So without further ado, let's hit this clip. Enjoy.
Seen the sun in a while, and I miss your side. I wanna be with you all of the time, right now. I'm waiting for a better day, and I get to see your face. I'm hoping that you feel the same. How long will I be waiting? Seen the sun in a while, and I miss your side. I wanna be with you all of the time, right now. I'm waiting for a better day, and I get to see your face. I'm hoping that you feel the same. How long will I be waiting?
So there you go, guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this clip as much as I did filming it, and man, what an absolutely phenomenal view. And by the way, we have an update coming soon on the Tesla EG. If you guys have not seen that car yet, you just gotta browse the channel and you'll find it somewhere in the videos. But again, if you're not subscribed yet, please do, because I am still giving away 500 Canadian dollars to one lucky subscriber once we hit 1,000 subs, which we are really close. And at the same time, hit the notification bell as well, so you'll be updated on all the uploads that I'm doing in this channel. And on that note, please stay safe, take care, and make the most out of your day. Peace!